right, Snapchatters. I was in on this great Saturday night. Well, Saturday night's not like it used to be. Going out, spend loads of money on the sesh. I thought, you know what? I'm just going to stay in, watch a DVD. So I treated myself to the Trainspotting 2 when I was in town today. And I thought, you know what? What would be perfect with that? It's nice Chinese. So, being a bit of a cheapskate I am, I got this chicken fried rice from Iceland. But something missing. Yeah, chips and curry sauce. So here it is. I mean, I've had it a few times. I think it tastes just as good as the Chinese itself, and a fraction of the price. Anyway, this takes 6 minutes to cook. Chinese down the road is 5 minutes. But could I get back just in time for it to be done? So, I've rang ahead, and she said it's going to be about 10 minutes. So, I'll drink this beer, and then I'm going to be on my way. Let's see if I can do it. So, I'll set the microwave for 6 minutes. Do that PS. Let's do this shit. That's it, yeah. Oh, fucking hell. Guess I didn't make it.
Get up!